With the good weather we've been having, we decided it'd be a good idea tonight to cook dinner outside on the fire. While dinner was cooking, the kids were having fun building a fort. All this wet snow made our wood pretty wet, so we put it by the fire so it could dry. The kids had fun trying to cut some more wood. We put our fort on hold because it got real dark real quick. Once the fire was roaring, it was time to heat up the oil. Our chef tonight, Martin, rolled some walleye in some flour and then dropped it in the hot oil. Take a figure it out of the video. After watching Luke from the Outdoor Boys cook some spam while camping, we decided it'd be a good add-on to our dinner to have some spam with our walleye. Dinner was a success, smiles all around.